Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use building blocks. First, gather your blocks and find a clear, flat surface. Consider what you want to build. Even a simple tower is a great start. Building blocks offer endless possibilities for creativity and learning. They help develop important skills like problem solving and hand-eye coordination. Let's dive into the fundamentals of block construction. To begin, always establish a strong foundation. Use the largest, flattest blocks available for your base. When stacking, place each block gently and precisely to maintain balance. Try to interlock pieces whenever possible. This creates a much more stable structure. For example, overlapping two blocks by 1/2, their length significantly increases stability. Don't be afraid to try different arrangements. Once you master the basics, explore advanced techniques. Try building arches by supporting a curved block with two vertical ones. Cantilevers, where a block extends unsupported, add visual interest but require careful weight distribution. Use smaller blocks to add fine details or create textured surfaces. Planning your build in 3 or 4 stages can help manage complexity and ensure a successful, stable creation. Beyond construction, building blocks are fantastic for imaginative play. Create entire worlds and tell stories with your finished structures. When you're done, carefully disassemble your creations to prevent damage to the blocks. Store them neatly in bins or boxes, perhaps sorted by color or shape, for easy retrieval next time. A quick wipe with a damp cloth and mild soap every few weeks keeps them clean and ready for new adventures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.